Katrina Cookies. Hi everyone, welcome to the Cookie Couture, where flavor and design collide. Today I'm so excited to share this cookie tutorial with you, but first, if you're new here on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. For this project, I am going to use these stamp cookie cutters. Please click the link above to see another idea on how you can use these cookie cutters. I started first by cutting out the silhouette of the cookie and then I bake it at 350 Fahrenheit degrees. And to decorate this cookie, I am going to use fondant and also the same cookie cutter that I used to cut out the cookie. As you can see here in the video, it's super easy to do. You just need to stamp the cookie cutter very firmly so all the design on the cookie cutter is printed in the fondant. Please click the link above to see how to do it in another tutorial. And to make these cookies even better, I am going to use a little bit of edible metallic paint. Now that I'm almost done painting this fondant, I am going to prepare a little bit of royal icing to cover my cookie and then put the fondant on it. Please click the link above to see another tutorial on how you can do this. And remember that you can decorate as much as you want this fondant. If you want to learn more about cookie decorating, please don't forget to visit my Pinterest profile. I have a lot of cookies ideas. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and see you until next time. Bye bye!